At Grout Restoration Works, we specialize in tile and grout restoration, not remodeling, but various services that will bring the beauty back to your grout and tile. Here, we're going to demonstrate for you our exclusive green cleaning and sealing process. The nice thing about our system is that along with cleaning the grout, the processor we have in our machine is taking the impurities and normal tap water we use to turn the impurities into crystals. What the crystals then do is kill all the bacteria that gets embedded in grout. We have 40 different colors of sealant for you to choose from. The way we apply our sealant is by using a specialized technique, doing one line at a time. The reason our sealant is so effective is that it is a penetrating sealant.